Hi, my friends. Right now, I'm at Sicilians Do It Better podcast. I'd like all of you to watch it. It's fun. The host and the hostess are amazing. I feel at home. I feel like I've known them for many, many years. So join us. Join the podcast. You'll have fun. You'll enjoy it.
Italian Sicilians do it better. Oh, can't you see? From cooking to comedy, it's pure family. Turn it up. This groove's for you. Queens in the house, bringing something true.
What's going on, everybody? We're back with another one. Such an exciting episode today. It's an honor to have Marie in the building with the family. Nancy and Albert is here. How you doing, everybody?
Hey, doing good.
Yeah, I'm nobody. Don't worry about me. I'm good. I don't need an
Oh
intro.
yeah, what's your name?
No, Marco.
Hey Marco.
He's just my little cat.
There you
He
go.
runs around the house. He joins us once in a
Fed me
blue
once, I
moon.
never left. That's it.
So, guys, thank you so much for giving me this opportunity and having you here. We've been supporters and followers of you guys since the start.
Really?
Love you. We love
Thank you
you.
for having
Thank you.
us.
Thank you
Absolutely.
so much.
It's the words that Marcus said earlier. You're like every grandmother that everybody would want in their lives.
Oh, yeah, absolutely.
That's what everybody
100%.
says. Everybody's like, "Oh, she reminds me of my grandmother."
I kicked them out. It's a nice visiting.
Take care now.
See you in 6 months.
There you go. And we got the timeline down, too. That's great.
So I would like to start with, how did this all start? When did it take off? And
She's always been a nut job, crazy, crazy, crazy lady. But my daughter, who always used to say, "Ma, you have to start Instagram." TikTok was nothing back then.
Right.
"Ma, you have to start Instagram again." But Al and I had a business, and we worked 7 days a week. So I didn't have time. She lived with us, and I'm like, I just don't have time. So we sold the business. We moved to Virginia, and I had all the time in the world. So my cousin sent me Mike Who Cheese Stinks. And she said, write them on cards and give them to your mom and have her say it quick. And that was our first video ever because it was hilarious. She said, my coochie stinks. But it took her forever to get it. So once she
She gave
finally...
me such a complex. All I do is use the wipes.
so Marie, be honest, half the things they make you do or say, what are your thoughts on that? Obviously we all laugh about it.
Oh, crazy. Really, really. My son-in-law, he's an instigator. He looks quiet. He's the instigator. He comes out with all these things that I blush.
That's not true. It's the other way around. She goes, Albert, you want to what? You want to give me a shower? You want to wash my back? You want to wash my front?
You want to alternate?
Back, front, back.
Front.
So I should ask Albert, how do you deal with everything?
What do those therapy bills look like, man?
I drink.
He really does. Tequila
Yeah.
at 5.
Nice.
Vodka at 6.
Oh, she has you on time.
And 100 proof, whatever the hell he drinks.
Okay.
Just rubbing alcohol.
Grandmom's coming.
We just got to...
Your mother's coming.
Yeah.
Down. No, before we had the Instagram or anything, when we lived in Woodhaven, we didn't have a bathroom on the first floor, so we got one of those electric steps that go upstairs to the bathroom. So she goes, I give her a shower upstairs, and then, she comes down in her robe, and when the chair lands, it's facing directly the couch in the living room. So she came down the stairs, and she's in her robe, and slowly, and then when she stops, she goes to Al, want to see my cooch? He was sitting right on the couch, and he's like,
And he's getting red, and he closes his eyes, and he's hiding his face. Little chicken.
and that was in the beginning when she was only living with us a year, maybe.
Right. That's freaking
So
great.
how was it? You guys lived in the neighborhood and moved to Virginia.
Yeah.
Do you guys miss New York?
We do not the traffic.
Some things.
Seriously, when we lived here, traffic was just normal and we dealt with it and it was whatever. But we're not used to it anymore. So coming just driving around in New York. I'm like, oh, I gotta get the Huddy. I'm panicking. I gotta get out of the car. I can't take it. And the driving that truck is insane. I'm like, I'll drive that truck anywhere in Virginia too, like no problem. But here, I won't even do it.
What do you guys miss more, the bagels or the semolina bread?
Oh my God.
You see, I already hit a point. There you go.
Semolina.
Both.
It's even the rolls, even when you
Right.
you just get a sandwich, the nice crispy, is it a Kaiser roll or whatever kind of roll it is? You don't get them there.
No.
At all. Like your sandwich is not good.
It's like a little doughy, like.
Because they don't know how to make the bread. Everyone says it's the water.
No.
Bullshit.
No,
it's the guy
not.
behind you who doesn't know how to mix the shit
Exactly,
right.
Yeah.
Is it though? Like it's just so
It has
weird.
to
Like
be.
other places wouldn't have it, right? It's just
We have to hunt for boar's head.
That's crazy.
It's ridiculous.
What do you get? Like the Weiss, like by you? Is that like Weiss? What is it? What's like the brands you got by you?
Dietz and Watts. What is it?
Dietz and Watts. There you
and
go.
Watts,
That's the
yeah,
one.
Yeah, right?
Yeah.
Ugh.
But no, we won't. We'll find boar's head.
Yeah.
You know, we'll drive miles out of our way just to go find boar's head.
But it's a premium too.
Yeah, yeah, it's very
'cause,
expensive.
Oh, really?
A pound of what you would get here, maybe $1 or $2 more. Over
Yeah,
there.
but you need
Yeah.
cold cuts, man. Come on. I mean,
plus
we're
you're
not-
driving first, you're losing gas.
Yeah, yeah.
And you're paying
Yeah.
more.
That's it.
Oh
we
Jesus.
always have to
But
go a little
pizza?
bit out of our way.
No.
Yeah, I can only
And the thing, I
imagine.
was really disappointed today because the place we went to today, we
Right.
always just have pizza there.
Yeah.
And then just now, I was like, "What, Al? Here?"
Yeah, it's
Like,
not
they
the
poured a
same.
whole
Couldn't eat
bottle
mine.
of oregano on it.
And it goes to show you how much things have. Like, because how long you been in Virginia now?
6 years. It's not very
Do you
long.
exactly? Do you see how much things change just in a little time of
It's
6
insane.
years?
I want lard bread so bad. Like I'm going tomorrow. Where am I gonna get it?
Lard bread?
Prosciutto bread.
Oh, prosciutto bread.
Right here.
Oh yeah.
Right here.
No, I didn't get the finger.
You giving it a finger, bro?
I thought you said right here.
Russo's Bakery.
Yeah,
Here.
On
yeah.
Myrtle.
Russo's Avenue.
Yeah,
Okay.
honestly, I go to them for everything.
All right.
Yeah, I live in
need
Yonkers, and
it.
I come down here to go to
I
that
need it.
bakery.
I'm like, I'm gonna take 10 home and freeze them.
Honestly, yeah,
crazy.
you're better off. Seriously.
Russo Bakery has the bread.
Yeah.
And the
You live
semolina
upstate
bread.
then.
But they only sell the
technically not yet.
prosciutto bread on the weekends.
Outside of
Most
the
places
Bronx.
only.
If you go on a Saturday, that's when they
mean-
stock them. Yes.
right
But
there.
overall, as the social media grew, how does it feel? Like you said a story before, people see you outside and they're so blessed to see you. Like how is that? It's overwhelming, right?
insane.
Yeah.
Like in New York, they recognize us more. Like it doesn't matter where we go here, that we're here the whole week. Everybody's like, "Oh my God, Granny! Oh my God, Albert! Yo, Albert, what's up?" Like it's nonstop, and
It's true.
it really is. It's crazy that I feel like I have to like take her in the back door and the side door and don't get out the car yet, and we gotta wait. It's crazy.
That's how it is.
Somebody's gonna kidnap her.
Someone's gonna kidnap her.
I'm not paying the ransom.
See? See what I mean?
I'm paying the ransom.
See? See what I'm talking about?
You
She
can
wants to
have
get
her.
rid of me.
Listen, she wants to keep you, but if it so happens somebody picks you up and takes you, what do you want her to do?
Hey, but-
I know, I pay, but you know, what do you want me to do? I'm just saying. It's just great. You know what it is? Because I could see myself, you know, around that age when they go like, "Grandpa," I'm like, "Hey, fuck you!" Like, you know, like get away from me. Like, what the hell's wrong with you? I just love
She
the
loves it
attitude.
now.
Of
But then
course.
I do.
somebody's like, "Oh, Granny, oh, my name is such and such on Instagram. Follow me." She's like, "Okay, I'll follow you." I'm like, "Could you stop saying that because we're gonna follow a million people and I don't remember names and you don't follow nobody. I'm the one in charge. They're gonna get mad at you
I don't follow nobody. I follow everybody.
on your personal
You're the
page."
one that don't.
That's the other thing. She forgets. Like I am the one who has the Granny Sofa Rocker accounts.
Right.
She don't have them only because I don't trust her. Like if somebody says something,
Right.
she's gonna
She'll
curse them
trust
out.
me.
Right.
She'll like be
I
really
will
nasty.
never curse them out. Never.
You always say, "I'm gonna tell them to go fuck themselves." When they
I don't want.
I'm gonna
But she
tell
doesn't
them to
do
fuck
it.
themselves.
She doesn't do
Yeah,
it.
but-
Because
Do I?
she has her own Marie page.
Right.
And she does comment as Marie, and then when I see it, I delete it right away. Because she forgets she's
I can't
commenting
win.
as
I
Marie. She
can't
thinks she's
win.
commenting as Granny.
I can't win with her. She deletes what I write.
But she's protecting you. Come on. You got to give her
Then-
that. You got to give her that.
Then she's in the hospital, right? She's in the hospital. And I see her typing on her iPad, and I said, "Who are you typing to?" "Oh, this woman, she just had surgery too, and da-da-da." She found her personal name, friended her, she accepted the friend, and then she's just talking to the... I'm like, "Mom, you don't
I
understand
don't
this.
do it no more. I
That's
don't do
not-
it.
Hold on. Listen,
I'm
I
afraid
think-
now because she really is going to punish me.
No, it's
She really is going to put me in the dungeon.
Listen, as long as you're not giving out your address and your social security number.
that's what I tell her,
That's
and
what
I'm
I did
afraid.
today.
Oh no, you
I thought
didn't.
it was a relative of mine.
Oh, come on.
That's what I get afraid of. They're gonna be like, "Oh, what's your Medicare number or whatever?" And I'm like,
Jesus
I'm
Christ.
not that dumb, Nancy.
No, come on.
not
"You're just
blonde anymore.
naive."
No.
I mean, you're not dumb. You're naive.
I am naive. I am. It's true.
I know.
But Marie, your experience and how this blew up, what are your thoughts on it? Like, could you believe it?
I cannot believe it. I can't believe it. What gets me is when people approach me, "Oh, your granny." I'm nice.
Mhm.
I'm usually a bitch. But I'm nice to these people. And they deserve to be treated nicely.
And it's also surprising, right? Like how many people you could touch with a simple post of a video.
That's it. That's it. Yeah.
When you make people's days, it really does
It's
make it.
amazing.
Yeah.
It really is.
Seriously.
They send her gifts nonstop. Like we go to the post office nonstop. It's like they love it. They love her.
So who is the best cook at home?
She is.
Uh-oh.
Thank you.
You are.
Thank you.
That went a lot better than I thought it would.
Because she stole all my recipe.
Oh, that's why. Okay. All right. So she's following instructions.
Because I have seen some videos where I felt like you were honest.
Oh, I'm trying to make her feel good. I'm really trying to make her. She has such a complex that I'm trying to make her feel superior.
Okay.
But she's really not a good cook.
That's fine. That's fine.
She's really not.
Is there something that she makes that you actually would think it's one of the best dishes that she has?
Come on.
English muffin.
Wow, holy shit. It's better than the normal, like, ice water and cereal. So, I mean, that's better than that.
I mean, I could boil water
Toaster,
at
it's
least.
an effort, but she puts it in.
All right.
She really tries.
She's a piece of work.
It's all right.
The man in the moon. Who?
She is the most unbelievable person that I ever met. That I ever.
Except for your other two kids.
No. She
Mom-
doesn't. She thinks she's not my favorite.
You don't have
I have
favorites.
3 children.
But you don't have
But
favorites.
they're
Except
all
for
my
my
favorites.
sister.
My 3 babies are my favorites.
Except for my sister.
What?
I said you don't have favorites except for my sister.
Why are you so jealous, Nancy? Why do you have to be so jealous?
Listen, it's better that than my own father goes, don't worry, I don't like any of yous. Gotta look at it in the positive way.
Or my father went out for cigarettes and never came back.
Well, he had those Marlboro points he could spend anywhere he wants.
So let's put Albert under the gun.
Uh-oh.
Who cooks the better food?
Come on, man.
There
we
we
go.
go.
There you go.
There we go.
I mean, honest. Breakfast.
Oh, you make the best breakfast.
Oh, so there you go.
Can't take that away from you.
Jeez. That's a
What's-
good honest
Every
If I
answer.
day
didn't
he
say
makes
that,
breakfast.
if I didn't say that, then I would be starving.
She'd eat oatmeal and cereal every day.
That's it. He makes good breakfast every day.
Nice. They really take good care of you.
He's a good son-in-law.
That's
We
good.
have to. She had a brain aneurysm like 14 years ago.
Jesus.
First, she had a major surgery.
Wow.
So then after the surgery, she didn't know nothing. Like,
Mhm.
and then she had moved to North Carolina. My sister had just moved to North Carolina. She followed my sister there, and that's when it happened. So my sister was there a lot, and after that, she didn't know anything. We had to put her in a nursing home, and she would call my sister and say they're having sex parties on the floor. There's
Yeah.
she just was seeing
Oh,
crazy
gosh.
things,
Wow.
and she couldn't feed herself. She
Yeah.
was a mess. But after about 2 or 3 years there, she recovered great.
That's awesome.
Called me crying all the time and was like, they're taking body
And
bags out.
She's the one that took me out.
It's him. She's like, they're taking body bags out left and right. When is it going to be me? And I hung up. I told Al, and I was like, what are we going to do? And he's like, just bring it here. We'll figure it out.
Yeah.
And, we had one of those railroad, like, living room, dining room, kitchen, and then upstairs is 3 bedrooms.
Mm-hmm.
So the living room, we turned into her bedroom. We closed it off. The dining room was our living room now, and then the kitchen and bedrooms upstairs and bathroom. So, yeah, so that's it. We made it work for her.
Yeah.
God bless you're well in here.
Yeah.
That's first off. And then there was a beautiful story I'd like you to tell that I saw there was some tragedy where your house burnt down.
No, the tree.
Oh, the tree.
And then you surprised.
I'll never forget that day.
Yeah. It was a storm, and the biggest tree in the damn world, like, totaled our house. Like when people hear that a tree hit your house, like, they just think, like, you have a hole in your roof.
Right.
No, if we were in bed, if Al and I were in bed, we would have been dead.
This thing came in.
It crushed.
Yeah.
It,
Holy shit.
it
Crushed
really,
the
like,
house.
destroyed the whole house. And it totaled where we had to just sell the property, and then we were in a rental for about 6 months or so. And then we bought this house, and the only reason we bought this house is because the first floor has a huge primary bedroom with a bathroom, and it's on the first floor, so it's perfect for the queen.
Yeah. I can't go up and down stairs
She
that
has
good.
the best room in the house, and she says it all the
I'm
time.
the best person.
There
in
you
the
go.
house.
On the first floor.
No, in the entire house.
There you go. All the floors. That's the one there.
So that was a very touching, part when I saw that, and your expressions like said it all. Like, I know you guys joke around, but the bond you two have and the love for
Yeah.
each other is great. One thing I like to bring up too is this cookbook.
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
I want to talk about this cookbook because it seems like you can't have enough in your hands.
No, it's too much. I mean, it's a good too much. Like, it's exciting. She's like, here, I thought you actually wanted to learn how to cook. Because now I'm like, I got to write this cookbook. I wrote all the stories that I was able to do, calling my cousin, talking to her, just bullshit, getting the stories, and going back on videos where she told stories. So to write everything. And then, but the cooking, she's like, here, I thought you wanted to learn how to cook, and you were just writing a cookbook, and you wouldn't tell me. Because now I'm like, okay, how much cheese? And she don't measure nothing.
No, we never
How much
do.
this, how much that. So I'm like, wait, before you throw it in, let me measure. So I would measure, and then she would be like, oh, wait, no, it needs more. I'd be like, okay, how much more? And measure just so I can get everything right. So then I wrote the cookbook. So once I gave it to her, she goes, here, I thought you were just hiding upstairs because you were
Ignoring
lazy.
Meanwhile, she took your hidden talent and brought it to life.
Yeah, she did.
She definitely did. And now the name of the book is Stirring Up Memories.
Mm-hmm.
So why that name?
Because it's not just cooking. It's stories about my grandpa, her parents immigrating. It's about, her siblings, how she met my dad. So it's a lot of memories, a lot of stories about memories. So, and then you're cooking, so you're stirring up memories.
Where can people find this book today?
On BarnesandNoble.com or Amazon.
Nice.
Yes.
That sounds good.
It's on both.
And-
And today,
That's
it
what I
went
was gonna
for
say.
sale yesterday. And today, Barnes & Noble put on their Facebook, Instagram, everywhere,
Yeah.
that the top 5 selling books, and we are number 1.
Wow, look at
Yes.
that. That's
Right?
awesome.
I know. Insane.
That is awesome.
I was like, no way. I was shaking. I'm like, this is crazy.
That's
Insane.
pretty cool.
I can't wait.
Is this the beginning of a second one coming
That's
soon?
what they say. I said, then you do all the work. I'm done. It
You
was
know
a
what?
lot.
Enjoy doing all the work.
I did enjoy it, and I'm loving this, but it's too much for you
I
to
could
do
never-
this.
yeah, I could
No, to
never.
do all this, like, touring or whatever. It's too much. The drive here was 10 hours. We had to drive. We couldn't fly because we got the dogs. Plus, we had to take like a million cases of books. So it was a lot. It took a long time to get here. The traffic was.
But make it
insane.
easier for yourself for the book. Don't do the measurements. Be like, hey, just grab a bunch of this and throw it in there.
I
If
know,
it's
right?
too much, do it again, but put less. Right or wrong.
Right.
I always said with Enzo, when you cook, this is it's supposed to be a creative thing. It's an imaginative thing. It's art. Make it any which way you want. I even though I have something in front of me that says, all right, put a cup of this, I'm like, yeah, go fuck yourself. I'm just gonna put what I think is right.
Yeah.
And no, sometimes it comes out better.
Yeah, it does
like for
sometimes, yeah.
rice balls or whatever it may
Yeah, I
be.
know.
Like I'm throwing a ton of locatelli in there. And she's like,
Yeah.
no, that's too much. Never enough locatelli. I'm sorry.
Well, that goes back to her point. Like, sometimes you just have that touch.
Right.
But she had to chase it to get the
I
measurements.
know to get the measurements, but that's why I'm like, if you're gonna do another one, let's let that one be a little bit more rocks. You're gonna put some garlic, your fucking choice. Oh yeah, you're gonna put some cheese. I don't care which one you use. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Like, make it easy, and it's fun for the readers too. I mean, it promotes them probably trying to be like, all right, I want to try to make this as accurate as possible. Let me see what the measurements I can do. You know. a challenge while doing something new.
Yeah.
That's the way I look
That's
at it.
fun.
Yeah, but
But no.
So I bet you everything in this book that you guys, the storytelling and the food is great. But if you had to choose one, what it would be your favorite meal in that book?
Meal, not a dessert.
so she wanted a dessert. No,
No. A meal, I think it's casca.
Couscous?
Yeah.
Oh, the couscous.
Yeah, because it's a Sardinian thing
Mm-hmm.
where every year in April they have this huge festival in Sardinia. Everybody makes their own version of the couscous.
Right.
And it has a lot of history. Like she takes the farina and she'll roll it for hours and make little couscous balls.
Yeah.
Where I will go to the supermarket and buy a bag.
Was it East Meets? What was it? East Meets West? That boxed the boxed couscous.
I don't know. It's in a
she's-
little Tupperware.
Oh, okay.
not
I know
the
which one you're
Tupperware, the
talking about.
plastic container.
Yeah.
And she's like, "No, you need the coarse farina and I'm like, "Please, it's got to be extra coarse, the real deal."
And you guys usually do that with fish?
No, she does it with ribs, with pork.
Really? I
Yeah.
never had it that
But
way.
they
I
do
gotta try
too.
it.
I use usually lamb,
Okay.
but nobody likes lamb, so I use pork.
Who doesn't like lamb?
You know, like my family, they don't like lamb.
I know,
Why?
I know. My sister-in-law's Sicilian, and my brother loves lamb now because everybody eats lamb on every holiday. We don't. Sorry.
Hey, listen.
I love lamb.
Then go to
My
Frankie's.
kids don't like lamb.
Go to Frankie's.
Go to Frankie's.
Well, I'm Frankie too, so my
So you
house is
come here
open
for
to
lamb.
lamb. We'll have lamb. They even have rabbit. Where there's
Yep.
a bunch of stuff. I don't eat it, but it's
Yeah,
there.
So I wonder, growing up for you, with your family and like your parents, and you had siblings, right?
Yeah, they were all older than me. I was
Okay.
a baby.
So growing up with them, like a lot of reflection of like, I guess how you are now. Is that how you were when you were growing up with them, or was it like more strict? Do you feel like you're a little bit more loose than how they were?
I know I was very spoiled.
Okay.
That's what everybody tells me. I don't remember being spoiled.
You're still spoiled.
I don't remember. I thought it was a natural way of living. I mean, really. But they said I was very spoiled. They always gave in to me. Not only my mother and father, my brothers and my sisters. They always gave in to me.
Wow. Well, because you were the baby of the family,
I
right?
was the baby.
So I could see that.
Is your parents from Italy?
Yeah, they're both from Sardinia.
Sardinia.
Yeah.
Beautiful. Have you been there?
No.
No.
She wanted to go on a trip to
I
Sardinia.
still want to go, but she's not only for Sardinia, she's from the island of San Pietro. So now you got to get to Sardinia and then from there go on another island. It's going to be too much for her at her
Wow.
age.
Yeah, that sounds like a lot.
It's just not like one flight and you're
there.
No, it's
Get in the car and that's about it. Yeah, I hear you.
It's too much. And she would love to see the street where both her parents grew up on the same street.
Wow.
She would love to see this
Yeah.
street.
Did your parents teach the language as well or no? The Italian.
Yeah, I spoke Sardinia. I spoke.
She does, but she doesn't like to speak because
Well,
it's-
now I really forgot a lot of words.
no, but she'll speak to Albert. Albert's like, "Oh, how do you say this? How do you say that? How do you say this?" But it's just she don't like to because she's like, it's a dialect and nobody speaks it. It's like Tarbacchino or something. What is
Yeah.
it?
Tarachino.
Tarbacchino.
No, it's a dialect
Tarbacchino.
within Sardinia. It's like a dialect of Napoli.
Okay.
So it's similar with the the Sicilian culture. So a lot of our dialect don't exist either no more because it's like everyone's speaking the regular
Proper Italian.
proper Italian.
That's a
she
shame.
can get by, but yeah, it's
What'd you say?
like speaking, understanding Italian or speaking. You're like, no. And after Nonna died, it's like
Mm,
then nobody's talking Italian no more.
yeah.
And then her siblings like they're much older than her.
I'm
So
the only one left. They all passed.
yeah.
Sorry to hear that.
You also growing up in the neighborhood, you are there's a history with you and Lenny's Clam Bar. Talk to us about Lenny's Clam Bar. How are you connected to that?
Well, I lived in Howard Beach, and I needed a part-time job.
Mhm.
So my neighbor who lived across the street from me, she was the manager of Lenny's Clam
Oh,
Bar.
Eleanor was the manager.
Yeah. She says, why don't you go down and talk to the boss? I'm sure he'll like you. I'm sure he'll give you let you work there.
Mm.
And I did that. And I started working there at night. 7 at night till 3 in the morning.
Oh wow.
I was a cashier and hostess. It was a nice place to work.
She would call me up and she'd be like, Nancy, Lee Mazzilli's here.
Yeah.
Like, or whoever, whatever famous. But I just remember Lee Mazzilli because he was cute.
Yeah.
I ran. We were like 6 blocks from there. I like ran to go see Lee Mazzilli. I'm like, oh my God.
Yeah, Lee Mazzilli. And who else was there?
I don't know, a bunch of people.
A bunch of
They're
people
always
go
going
through there. Yeah.
Yeah. So we could have had this dinner event at anywhere. We could have it like Roosters in the Bay or whatever and had hundreds of people. But it's going back home. You know, it's like where she belongs. It's 100 people. It's going to be intimate. It's 100 and then 20 family.
Right.
So it's going to be nice and intimate. So it'll be good.
And then the next day, book signing.
The book signing is, that's going to be crazy.
How many years did you work there?
About 6 or 7 years.
6 or 7 years.
Yeah. And then it got too much for me, and I just worked on the school buses with the special children.
She was a matron.
Oh, nice.
Bus matron.
I did like the video you did when you went to Lenny's, like you coming back as a waitress. You took a 45-year-old break. It's like, I'm back. It's like, what the hell do you want? I don't know. She left. And let me eat the calamari.
And then I was taking the order. I quit.
And then you eat the calamari.
I quit.
No, it was good. I liked it.
What did you eat? What did you put in your mouth?
Where?
At Lenny's.
Calamari. Why?
I just want to see how she said it.
Oh, like it was like a calamari?
Calamari.
There it is.
Because she knows when she needs to speak proper, she'll be like, ricotta,
Ricotta.
mozzarella.
I mean, you can't say ricotta.
Believe
Say
me.
ricotta. Ricotta. Mozzarella.
How do you say this?
Water.
There you go. Water. So while we're at it, do you call it sauce or gravy?
Tomatoes?
Yeah.
Sauce.
Thank God.
Wait, growing up, I remember growing up, it was gravy. It was always gravy.
Was it really? Yeah.
Always. In the house, it was gravy. Nonna always said gravy. Everybody always said gravy. And then somewhere along the line, it just switched.
Switched
And
to
it was
sauce.
like sauce.
I
and
think you're hearing things.
never.
I always called it sauce.
Never. Never.
I never
Nonna,
called it
it was
gravy.
always-
Gravy is
everybody-
brown. Gravy's brown.
It was always
Sauce
gravy.
is red.
It was always gravy.
So
Call my
they
cousins.
got-
Call my cousins right now. It was always gravy. And then I don't know when it switched. Like, it
Well,
became-
somewhere down the line, it corrected, I guess.
Yeah.
It got corrected.
I don't know.
I got it.
I don't know. But growing up, like a lot of things I didn't know the proper word. Like I never knew basil was basil. I always thought it was basilico.
Basilico, yeah.
Like I never knew
The English
basil.
word for it.
Right.
Okay.
Then I start working at Wall Bombs. Like I'm like 16 and I'm working at Wall Bombs here in Cross Bay. And somebody asked for basil. I'm like, what's basil? And then when they brought it up and they bought it and they'd be like, this is basil. I'm like, is this basil? Basil? Like, is that how you say basil? I never knew that.
I have one word that I still get fucked up to this day. I call it tigya. Not tigya. The baking sheet. I'm sorry. The baking sheet, because you say tigya. I tell people, oh yeah, you're gonna get your tigya. They go, what the fuck is that? I'm like, the baking sheet. You know, like what the fuck did that come from? And I'm like, I'm sorry, I pulled it out from the
There's so
closet.
many like stupid little words that
Right.
like growing up, like I don't know, like a strainer, but it was like a kala. What did we call it?
School
Yeah,
of
school
pasta.
of
Bus.
Right.
Like
But
I
it's
never.
a colander.
Yeah, but
Yeah.
I never knew like
Yep.
it was a strainer, like
Right.
or whatever you call it.
Right.
So that's like my childhood, because in my house there was no English,
Right.
and we'll go to school and say words that we thought were normal, but they're not. My daughter did that when, I think in kindergarten, she was telling the teacher to shut the light, but she was saying shut the luce.
Oh.
And then they were trying to figure out what she was trying to say. So
Yeah.
yeah, it's a cute thing. Yeah.
My son growing up, what did you teach Joe?
What did I teach?
Croutons. He didn't know croutons were croutons. He thought they were croutons.
Croutons.
And that's all she told him. And my son still brings it up. He goes, Ma, all the time I call him croutons, everybody thought I was crazy.
Well, he wanted to know what they was, so I told him croutons. Sorry.
Sorry, not sorry.
But I just want to, again, thank you guys for coming. But before we go, I just want to ask, is there anything coming up in the future you could share with us, with the audience? I know this weekend, you have a busy weekend at Lenny's Clam Bar, book signing and a dinner.
The dinner
Saturday,
event
Sunday.
is sold out on Saturday. Sunday is the book signing from 11 to 2. Not that we're going to toss you out at 2. We're closing the line at 2. Because the line's going to be long and it's still going to take us forever to get through everything. So the line closes at 2. If you're online by 2, you're going to get in to get a picture of Granny and a book. You got to buy a book to get in.
There you go.
Awesome. And Granny, if you had to tell your lovely audience something, you would say to them?
I love every one of you. And I'm so grateful to all of you for your support when I was in the hospital 3 times this year. I know you love me, but I love you more.
That was beautiful.
Well said.
Guys, check her out. Where can they find you guys online? I'm sure they know, but just give it to them one more time.
At Granny's of a Rocker on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok.
Guys, check them out. Thank you guys so much for coming.
Oh,
It made my day.
Made mine
Thank
too.
you guys. We appreciate it.